Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Assess Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and liquidity. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. One like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of S&P 500 futures in different time frames. So here you can see a daily chart of S&P 500 futures, where you can see that how the S&P 500 futures tested the lifetime high of 3667 as the US drug maker Pfizer claimed that they have prepared a vaccine which could be 90% effective for the treatment of COVID-19, which resulted in a sharp surge of US indices the S&P 500 futures and the other major indices goes up to 4.4% from their lows. But here you can see that finally the S&P 500 futures witnessed sharp sell-off from these levels and resulted in formation of an exhaustive candle. So friends, here I find that this exhaustion in S&P 500 futures reflects the doubts about the efficacy of this claim made by Pfizer, because there are a lot of questions which are yet to be answered, because the Pfizer did not break down exactly how many of those who fell ill received the vaccine. Still, over 90% effectiveness implies that no more than 8 of the 94 had been given the vaccine. Efficacy is well above the 50% effectiveness required by the US Food and Drug Department for a coronavirus vaccine. To confirm the efficacy rate, Pfizer said that it would continue the trial until there are 164 COVID-19 cases among the participants, but the question is that the primary data was not yet available and a peer-reviewed publication is still pending. We have to wait for the exact data before we can make a final assessment of this move. Here I found that if the Pfizer's claims are not confirmed during this week, the S&P 500 futures could test the lows of 3196 before this weekly closing. Here I find that there is no doubt that vaccines are seen as an essential tool to help end the health crisis has shuttered businesses and left billions out of work. Millions of children whose schools were closed in March. Dozens of drug makers and research groups around the globe have been racing to develop vaccine against COVID-19, which on Sunday exceeded 3 million infections since the new coronavirus first emerged late last year in China. Now I find that there are still questions around the vaccine, such as how effective it is and how long it will provide immunity, and the new normal or social distancing and face masks looks set to remain for the foreseeable future. So therefore I find that all these questions are yet to be unanswerable at this juncture, where I find that this could result in extinction of this bearish pressure in the S&P 500 futures, because the level what the S&P 500 futures have tested on November 9th could signal the next breakout for global equity markets. But the flip side of this coin was equally sharp drops in the stocks that have propelled most from the shift to remote working and online shopping this year. Therefore, I find that now the need of the hour is to wait up to the confirmation of this move. Now, let us check this move in an hourly time frame. In an hourly time frame, you can see that after testing the highs of 3667, S&P 500 futures continued to move downward and tested the levels of 3541. Today, the S&P 500 futures have been facing stiff resistance at the levels of 3564, but they tested yesterday. Here I find that if the S&P 500 futures are not able to defend the immediate support of 3539, we will see the S&P 500 futures break the second support of 3519, and this fall may continue up to the levels of 3461. Here I find that if the S&P 500 futures are not able to defend the third support of 3456, today we will see the S&P 500 futures break the next support of 3396. Here I find that the level of 3396 could be the final support for S&P 500 futures. So thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.